My phone was taking so much from me, and until I discovered that, I was really struggling. I was struggling with focus, I was struggling with productivity, my goals were lagging, my life was lagging, my money was depreciating, my health was depreciating, I was forgetting a lot, all these negative things. And until I had changed everything else, I had started sleeping early, I had started doing all these good things, I had started, being disciplined, and nothing was working. That is when I discovered that the real problem was with my phone. And this came from watching a lot of short form content, a lot of videos while I was at work, a lot of videos while I was interacting with people. And I didn't realize that it was affecting me until I started seeing things depreciate or things going south, okay? But I did some things that helped me shift from that. And the first one is I stopped using my phone before bed. I was using my phone until I fell asleep, and this was really making my brain work twice because my brain will be processing all that information that I've been watching throughout the night, and during the day, I still want it to work, you see, which is unrealistic. Your brain needs rest, your brain needs energy management too. So, the moment that I stopped using my phone before bed, it made my sleep even longer. It made my sleep even uncut, because I used to have times when I used to wake up during the night, which was really unhealthy for me. So the moment I stopped using my phone during that time or before bed, it made my sleep smooth or seamless. And then the other time that I stopped using my phone is just before getting out of bed. I used to use my phone until I fell asleep, and then in the morning, my phone would be the first thing to touch, even before really waking up or my brain really waking up, which was very unhealthy. And the moment that I stopped using my phone before bed and right after bed, after waking up, I started seeing myself improve or focus on the right things, focus on the main priorities of my day, which really improved my life, or which has really greatly improved my life. And then the other time that I stopped using my phone is while I'm at work. Let me just be honest. I used to use my phone at work. While I'm working on my computer, the good thing is that I work from home. So it was very easy for me to be indisciplined because I used to have my phone playing some YouTube videos or some TikTok, some Instagram reels while I'm still working. And I thought that, this is not affecting my productivity because yes, I'm multitasking, I'm watching all these videos that I don't have time to watch, and I'm still working. Before I knew, it had taken my hours, some of the hours that I'm supposed to be doing deep work. It had taken my focus because I could not remember something that I wrote on the first page and I'm just on the second page. It had taken so much from me, it was taking so much concentration from me. And I thought at the moment I didn't see it that way. But when I started seeing money depreciate from my account, from my monthly pay, and when I started forgetting things, then I knew like things had to change for sure. And then the other thing that I did is that I started utilizing the do not disturb mode. Honestly, since I bought all my phones, I never used do not disturb mode until recently, until when I started to, change my systems and change the way things worked for me. And that helped me stay away from notifications, that helped me stay away from your favorite TikToker has posted their TikTok, your favorite YouTuber has uploaded, there's this WhatsApp message that is coming from a group that I don't even participate, but I still want to check. Do not disturb mode helped me to stay out of my phone for sure. And I used it do not disturb mode, plus I kept my phone in a different room while I'm working, while I'm concentrating with my chores, cooking. And let me tell you, it was difficult because I felt every time like standing up and going to that room to just check, that one time. There are very many times that I went to, see what was happening. And when I found no notification, I was very mad. Because let me tell you, when you stop using your phone frequently, even the notifications reduce for sure. But that really helped. Keeping the phone in a different room with do not disturb mode really helped me return my focus, return my productivity, manage my energy. And all these things have worked for me for sure because I've seen myself and my activity, even in my timely, even in my work, at my work, improve. And I've seen my entire life improve, and I've seen even my My brain improved. I can now remember things very well. I can now concentrate very well. And although I'm not there yet, I've seen a drastic improvement, because before I started this bad habit, my concentration span was at 3 hours, 4 hours. I was going for long with while concentrating, but now I could not anymore. But after I've started doing all these things, I've seen drastic improvements in my everything, in my health, in my everyday life. Okay. And so if you find yourself using your phone too much, it's time to take actions, or to use the steps that worked for me, because for sure I know they will work for you too. Okay. That's it for this video. In case you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, you cannot build your reputation on the things that you're going to do. Start taking action today. Bye.